Flatbed Cold Hot Laminator has different optional size. 850 meters M working size. 1300 meters M working size. 1600 meters M working size. Suitable for lamenting all flat hard materials or roller papers. Easy to operate. Laminating on glass, metal, acrylic, ceramic tile. Specifications: max laminating width 850 mm, working method air compression. Max materials thickness 0 to 40 mm, adjustable. Working way both cold and hot. Max hot temperature 60 degrees Celsius, adjustable. Hot. Capacity 1000 W. Machine weight 90 kg. Machine size 1.2 m, 1.02 m, 1.07 m. Laminating materials: wood, glass, ceramic tile, metal, acrylic, plastic, paper, films. Good packing. One set full machine with one box.
Crossway Industry.